Now, honorable senators may have your silence because we're going to call upon the honorable senators who are online to cast their vote, and that requires some silence. We'll start with Senator Captain Ali Roba, MP. Honorable senators, you may proceed to vote.
I vote yes, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you, honorable senator. Let's have some silence so that we hear exactly how they're voting. We now move to Senator Juma Boy. Senator Juma Boy Isa. We'll come back to the honorable senator. I think he's struggling with the system. We now move to Senator Mwenyehaji Faki, MP. Honorable Faki, you may proceed to vote.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I vote yes.
Thank you, honorable senator. We now move to Senator David Wakoli, MP. Senator for Bungoma County, you may proceed to vote. Unmute the senator so that we can hear him.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I vote yes.
I hear you clearly, honorable senator. Thank you. We now move to Senator Joseph Githuku Kamau. Senator Kamau, you may now proceed to vote.
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes.
Thank you. We've heard you clearly. We now move to Senator John Methu, MP. Senator Methu.
You may now proceed to vote.
Sorry, Honorable Speaker, sir. I vote yes.
Thank you, Honorable Senator. We've heard you clearly. We now move to Senator Jackson Mandago, MP.
I vote yes.
Okay, we've heard you. Senator Mandago, we've heard you. We now move to Senator Paul Karungo Thangwa, MP. Senator Karungo, you may proceed to vote. Unmute Senator Karungo.
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes.
Thank you, Honorable Senator. We've heard you. We now move to Senator Jonas Mwaruma, MP. Senator Mwaruma, proceed to vote.
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes.
Thank you. We've heard you clearly, Honorable Senator. We go back to Senator Issa Juma Boy.
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes.
Thank you, Honorable Senator. Thank you. Honorable Osotsi, you may proceed to dispatch and cast your vote, please. Thank you.
Mr. Speaker, Getri is online.
Honorable Senator Enoch Wambua, you may proceed to vote.
Mr. Speaker, if you can hear me, Getri votes yes.
We hear you clearly, Honorable Senator. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, do I have a vote? I vote yes.
Unfortunately, you don't have a vote, Honorable Senator. Honorable Senators, kindly take your seats as we read the division results. Senator Murango, have a seat. Honorable Senators, the result of the division is as follows. The ayes, 32 votes, nays, 0, abstention, 0. So the ayes have it. Sergeant at arms, you may now open the door and withdraw the bar. Next, order clerk.
Order number 9, motion, establishment of a special committee to investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the Governor of Isiolo County.
The Senate Majority Leader, you may move your motion.
Mr. Speaker, I rise to move the motion for the establishment of the special committee to investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the Governor of Isiolo County. That whereas, pursuant to standing to Article 181 of the Constitution and Section 33 of the County Governments Act, on Thursday, 26 June 2025, the County Assembly of Isiolo approved a motion for the removal from office by impeachment of the Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the Governor of Isiolo County, and further, whereas by a letter referenced CA/RES/Volume 1/001, dated 26th June 2025 and received in the office of the Speaker of the Senate on the 27th of June 2025, the Speaker of the County Assembly of Isiolo informed the Speaker of the Senate of the approval of the motion by the County Assembly by further and forwarded to the Speaker of the Senate documents in evidence of the proceedings of the Assembly, and whereas pursuant to Section 33(3)(b) of the County Governments Act and Standing Order number 81(b) Roman 1 of the Senate, the Senate by resolution may appoint a special committee comprising 11 of its members to investigate the matter. Now therefore, pursuant to Section 33(3)(b) of the County Governments Act and Standing Order 81(b) Roman 1, the Senate resolves to proceed on this matter by way of establishment of a special committee to investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the Governor of Isiolo County. Mr. Speaker, sir, in your communication, you have told us that this is the 5th time we are speaking and processing this kind of a motion, Mr. Speaker. In a way, it therefore almost looks like a procedural motion, and therefore I don't want to take too much time of the House. Members, you are either choosing that we form a committee or we go to plenary. I want to appeal to you to weigh on this very important issue, because the country has a lot of confidence in us. They should see that we have given the Governor of Isiolo the best opportunity to be heard as this decision is made. I therefore leave it in your hands and invite my colleague and friend of many years, Justice Matayo, the Senator of Kilifi, Madayo, the Senator of Kilifi, to second me. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Asante sana Mstahiki Spika. Mstahiki Spika, hoja hii ya kufurusha mamlakani gavana wa Isiolo ni hoja muhimu sana kwa bunge letu la Seneti na vile vile wananchi wote ndani ya Kenya. Bwana Spika, tazingatia ya kwamba mara nyingi tumeenda njia ya kamati tokea nikiwa hapa katika bunge, lakini hivi juzi katika hali ya kuangalia vile petition zote zinazokuja, ni muhimu ya kwamba bunge lote la Seneti lipewe nafasi ya kukaa na kujadiliana na kuamua ni njia gani ambao wataifuata. Kwa hivyo mimi napinga hoja hii ya kwenda kwa njia ya kamati.
Point of order, Mr. Speaker.
Nataka kwa hiyo hoja hii mimi naipinga vikali sana na sikubaliani nayo. Asante Bwana Spika.
Order, honorable senators. Now, honorable senators, as you may have noticed, the Senate Majority Leader moved the motion at order number 9 on today's order paper for the establishment of a special committee to investigate the proposed mover from office by impeachment of Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the governor of Isiolo County. Now, the motion was not seconded, and it is therefore pursuant to Standing Order 70 of the Senate Standing Orders deemed to have been withdrawn. As I communicated earlier, by way of message on the resolution of the Isiolo County Assembly made on Thursday, 26th of June 2025, for the removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the governor of Isiolo County, Section 33, 3A of the County Governments Act, and Standing Order 81B of the Senate, provide that the Senate may, 1, by resolution appoint a special committee comprising 11 of its members to investigate the matter, or 2, investigate the matter in plenary. The motion having been negatived, the route of special committee is abandoned, and that implies that the Senate will investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the governor of Isiolo County, in plenary, pursuant to Section 33(3)A of the County Governments Act and Standing Order 81B2. Now, honorable senators, at its meeting held today, Monday the 30th of June 2025, the Senate Business Committee considered the provisional dates for this investigation in the event that the matter was to be investigated